Hello everybody. I thought I'd show you today how to make a quick felted flower. I brought along my trusty embellisher, and those of you that know what an embellisher is, who are very eagle-eyed, will probably notice that I've only got 4 needles in here. I'll talk to you more about those later, but I'm just going to use the machine with 4 needles. It's a very quick and simple technique. I've got the foot set very low, which actually makes it a bit more difficult to put these underneath, but that's for safety because I don't want my fingers to go underneath, and I'm holding this quite close to the needles. And the last one going on now.